Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Grayson County in north central Texas until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Willis, or 13 miles east of Grayson, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sherman, Denison, Pottsboro, Eisenhower State Park, and southern Lake Texoma. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If on or near Lake Texoma, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. High winds and waves can capsize boats. Significant